This was a very interesting case today. Uh, 55 years male patient complaining of breathlessness since today, and on examination, and patient was having history of diarrhea since 3 days or maybe before 3 days. Uh, no, no, the patient was having history of diarrhea for 1 day, in which he had 4 to 6 times frequency. And now here the picture is something different. This is a case of right side heart failure. The liver, this is liver, is here the hepatic veins and this IVC, they are severely dilated. The texture of the liver is however normal, and this is the gallbladder which is edematous. This is liver. This gallbladder wall thickness was something like this, 10 mm. And if you see this carefully, the pattern of this gallbladder wall thickness is that here this inner wall and outer wall, there is a sharp demarcation. So this pattern, whenever you see this pattern, you can think of this cardiac etiology in future, or maybe you can make some statistic data. Here this gallbladder wall, and second thing, that whenever the gallbladder wall is excessively thickened, more than 6 or maybe 8, then it is more likely a systemic cause. This right side heart failure, it causes liver congestion and dilatation of hepatic vein, and finally this what do we say, there is edema in the soft tissue. So this is the gallbladder which was measuring around 8 mm. In previous image it was something around 10 mm. Portal vein however was normal. There is a periportal thickening, so it could be due to either secondary to this diarrhea, maybe some sort of amoebic colitis or like that. This is the gallbladder. This is this is portal vein, and you can see this thick band, hyperechoic band. This IVC, it was measuring 32 mm, which is quite what we say distended. Patient was however tall and stout, something around 6 foot, 6 feet height, and 110 kg weight, like that. But IVC in this was around 33 mm. These hepatic veins, when can we say these hepatic veins are dilated? By subjective, and if we measure it, if it is 13 or 15, you can say it dilated hepatic vein. This was falciform ligament. I had just kept for keeping the record that whenever there is this kind of right-sided heart failure, what is the progress of this falciform ligament thickening. It was 5 mm. It is within normal limit. IVC once again. These are the waveforms of IVC. These are the waveforms of, I think, middle hepatic vein. This is the right hepatic vein. This is middle hepatic vein waveform. You see this gallbladder quite thickening. Liver was around 18 to 19 centimeter right lobe in APU, but the patient was also bulky, what is strong and stout. So according to the body ratio, we can consider his liver size around 16 centimeter and maybe 2 centimeter extra enlargement. These are kidneys. And yes, there was reduced left ventricular ejection fraction. It was around 40, which I had observed subjectively. There was some free fluid in the lower abdomen, maybe due to this right ventricular failure, acute right ventricular failure. This was the texture of the liver, just kept for record keeping. This is liver. This is heart. Yes, he was having tachycardia also. Heart rate was 153. And those who are doing echo, you can see that this right ventricular, there is a bulging of this interventricular septum towards this left ventricle. Not clear in this, but in this you can see, appreciate it well. This interventricular septum is bulging towards this left ventricle, and here it is more clearly seen.